Hey guys, so I just have to talk about something that saved me a ton of money and stress, especially if you're trying to set up a woodworking space on a small budget, like I was. It's a guide called Ultimate Small Shop, and it completely changed the way I approached my workshop setup. Before finding this, I had no clue what tools I actually needed. I kept buying stuff I didn't even use, and worst of all, I wasted money on poor quality tools that broke within months. And let's be honest, some of those online reviews are just paid promotions. This guide was a breath of fresh air. Ralph Chapman, the guy who made it, has over 2 decades of experience and really knows what he's talking about. The guide walks you through how to set up a full workshop, even if all you've got is a small corner in your basement or garage. You don't need a massive space or a $10,000 budget. One of my favorite parts was the detailed tool lists. He tells you exactly what's worth investing in and where to buy them, often at 50 to 70% off. I was shocked at how much I saved just by using the sources he recommended. These aren't your typical big box stores either, and no, it's not Harbor Freight. But one thing I do want to warn you about, make sure you buy it from the official site. There are fake versions out there, and I've heard of people getting scammed. I'll share the proper link so you can avoid all that mess. All in all, if you're new to woodworking, or even if you've been at it for a while but want a more efficient, budget-friendly setup, this guide is seriously helpful. I'm so glad I found it, and I think you will be too.